How to evaluate an affiliate program. There are numerous affiliate programs present on the internet that offer benefits to the affiliate marketers. Every program claims that it is the best and can provide the best opportunities to affiliates. But all affiliate programs are not reliable. Several things should be considered if we're selecting an affiliate program. We are listing some important factors that should be considered. Products. Every affiliate program must have some products to sell. These products may be the physical products which require delivery or some e-products which require the instant downloads after online payment. A good affiliate program must offer a wide range of products to the affiliates to choose from. The programs that have smallest number of products should not be considered. Such programs are not considered to be strong and can collapse any time due to financial crisis. The programs that have thousands of products are usually strong. Volume is a sign of their strength. A good affiliate program must offer products of different categories, so that an affiliate doesn't feel the need to look for another affiliate program if he wants to promote some other type of product. Organization's track record. Try to learn as much as possible about the track record of the affiliate program you are considering joining. It is very easy to do this. You can use search engines for this purpose. Just type the name of the affiliate program and all available information on the internet on this affiliate program will be in front of you. Also see the testimonials present on the website of the program and look for the number of years for which it has been in business. Avoid the new companies. Strong organizations always display their annual revenue generated. From this you can more easily determine the success of that organization. Also look for the top merchants and affiliates that have joined the organization and what are their reviews about the program. By answering these above questions you will get a lot of information about the past progress of affiliate programs. In light of this information, you can easily decide which program you should or should not join. Support available to affiliates. Many affiliates are new in the field of affiliate marketing and they don't know much about this business. They need guidance and suggestions at every step. On the other hand, the people in the affiliate programs are very experienced and have been in the business for many years. They know the possible difficulties and their solutions. If you are an affiliate and want to join an affiliate program, always see if they are willing to provide you good support, because you may face some difficulty during your business, and if you cannot get proper support it can waste your time and money. Payment. Always check to see what the available methods of payment are offered to the affiliates in each affiliate program. If they are only offering the payments in some special method, then check to see if you use that method. For instance, if an organization pays through PayPal, then you should see if you can receive the payment in your country through PayPal, because PayPal is not available in every country. Conclusion. Don't join any affiliate program in a hurry. Do proper research and gather all the possible information about the organization you are going to join. The most important things to consider are their products offered, their payment schedule, their support and previous record. You can gather all of this information by using the search engines and searching the official website of the organization. If the organization been in business for many years, if they have thousands of products to promote, offer good support service, have a good payment schedule and options, then you should join that organization. Avoid the organizations that are new in the business and are not offering a good number of products to promote.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.